Hey guys, this is the tutorial for the hair I had on my birthday. So if you want to achieve this look, just keep on watching.
Yeah, but girl, that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze.
Alright guys, so this hair is from none other than LUVMEHAIR. You guys already know how much I love this company. They never let me down. Their hair quality is just amazing. So this is the hair right out of the box. So it's already curled. The information will be down below in the box description. But yeah, this is how it comes straight out of the box. And I'm just going to finger comb the curls just because I wasn't planning on doing curls like this, but either way I'm about to bleach the knots anyways, so it's gonna get wet. But if you guys want to see exactly how it looks, look how beautiful it is, look how small the knots are. I really don't have to bleach these knots, but because it's my birthday, I just want to be extra, so that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, this is beautiful. Like if I was to just cut the lace and stuff, it would just be amazing. And look how the lace is such good quality. It blends in with my forehead already. I love it. Alright, so I bleached the knots off camera, and let me know, you guys, if you want me to teach you guys how I bleach my knots. I've done it before on camera, but I can always do it again, so just let me know. And now I'm just brushing the hair. Don't mind, there's like some fuzzies on that hair on the brush, but that's okay. So now I'm going to put on the wig so you guys can see how it looks like after I bleach the knots. Off camera also, I'm going to do a little bit of plucking, and this is what it looks like after I pluck it just a little bit. It wasn't anything dramatic at all, but you can see that it looks nice and natural, just the way I love it. I'm putting it back on and you can see how it looks, and I'm absolutely in love with it. Step into the light. If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Alright, so now it's time to customize the lace to make it look like it's coming from my scalp, as you guys know already. So I take my Fenty bronzer and I take a flat brush and I put it all over that flat brush, and I'm going to put it all over the lace. You guys already know how I do it. I don't use my foundation shade because my forehead is much darker than my face, so I'm trying to use something that matches my forehead. And now I put the wig back on, and you guys can see, like, where is the lace? Where is it? This is the before and after. This is why it's so important to pick the right shade, you guys, to customize it. Alright, so now I'm going to see, so the lace is kind of long for my ears, so I'm just going to cut it around my ears so that it can fit perfect on my head. But before I do that, I'm going to cut the front of the lace. So I do it in an up and down motion, as you can see. Like, it's not in a straight, narrow way at all. I just do it up and down because I find that when it's not in a straight line, it looks like it blends in much more. Alright, so now I put it back on and I am loving it. You guys can already tell when I glue it down, it's gonna look cute. Anyway, so this is the part where I cut the side so that it can match my ear. And this is important because you're not trying to have lace that, you know, goes over your ear. That doesn't make any sense. And of course my daughter is here, so I'm going to glue my forehead off camera, and I'm going to use the bold hold glue to do that. And I think I did, because I'm, you know, like, this is gonna be my birthday hair, I'm pretty sure I did about 3 to 4 layers of the glue. I usually only do like 2, especially if I'm not keeping on the wig for a long time. But yeah, I think I did about, on the sides I always do more than the front. So on the sides I probably did about 4 layers of glue. But yeah, again, if you guys do want to see how I even apply the glue, let me know. But I feel like I do it all the time, so that's why I do it in this video. And now I'm just combing it with a rat tail comb, and this will secure that the hair is nice and secured at the back. And then I'm putting my melting band, okay? I should actually call this the magic band, because without a melting band, like, will your wig even look laid? Like, come on. All right, so I left it on, I would say, for probably like half an hour or so. I fed the kids and everything. So when I take it off, obviously you can definitely see the lace, and that's okay. That's basically just because of the glue. But again, your bronzer is going to be your best friend. As you guys can see, I'm here applying it all over. And it's going to look super, super natural. Just be patient. Be patient. Alright, and now I'm going to do baby hairs. And you know, I didn't want to do baby hairs at first, but I feel like, you know, baby hairs is just a look, okay? So I'm taking out some hair, sectioning out some hair to do some nice baby hair. I don't want to take too much, I don't want to take too little, but when you guys are doing it, you guys can just do it however you feel like. Some people like to take like a whole bang for baby hair, and if that's what you like, go ahead for it, girl. And now to kind of secure the baby hairs, I'm just putting some mousse on it so that it doesn't fly right back, which is why I have them in my mouth. But yeah, so now I'm going to take an eyebrow scraper and just cut the baby hairs. Again, you can do it however you want. You could do it as long or as short as you want. By the way, my lashes are everything. Like, shout out to my lash lady. Okay, anyways. So now I'm going to brush the baby hairs in whichever motion I feel for it to go in. And when I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to once again put the melting band. I believe that's the next step I do. Actually, I take my olive oil melting spray for wigs and I'm putting it all over the front. This is just to do like an extra secure. Again, because I'm using this for my birthday, I want it to be nice and laid. I don't need it to be lifting up randomly out of nowhere. So then I put my melting band. And if you guys are going to do this, make sure that you put the melting band like right away, because the spray can actually lift the glue, well, the lace off of the glue. I can make you stop, 'cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. Alright, and this is how it looks like when I take it off. You can tell it looks amazing. I mean, the melting band didn't do like a little, you know, mark on my forehead, but that's fine. Again, we're going in with the bronzer. I told you guys we're gonna use it. You better get your bronzer, okay? Or whatever shade matches your forehead. But yeah, so as I'm doing this, you can see like the lace is literally disappearing. Again though, this is because LUVMEHAIR has such good quality hair. If it wasn't for their good quality hair, I would be struggling, okay? So it's really important. I definitely always recommend LUVMEHAIR, and that's why I have so many reviews of them, because their hair is just amazing quality. Like, look at that. Look at this. I am already feeling myself. I don't know what to do. But yes, so this is the final result in the sense of installing the hair. I didn't style the hair on camera, but I will show you guys the final product at the end of this video. But yes, this is it. This hair does not shed. I am in love with it. Shout out LUVMEHAIR for always sending these quality wigs, okay? And look, like this is how it would look like if I did like a ponytail or something like this, which I end up doing for one of the days of my birthday. So yeah, thank you, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you guys next time. Bye for now.